Hello, everybody. Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen, everybody. We're going to go over our gumbo greens, everybody. All right, now we've been talking about these gumbo greens for a long time, and I just want to say this is how we do it. We have been so attached to gumbo greens, everybody, okay? So I'm going to show you something. People have asked us what is the vegetarian options for having gumbo greens, okay? Now, you can put seafood in it. That's pescatarian. But you can also have it for vegetarian as well. Some people like to have that. It depends on what they want. Now, the meat that's involved. We do andouille sausages in ours, everybody. This is ours right here. This is our regular gumbo green pot right here, everybody, okay? Now, we have our andouille sausages in there with the nice taste of collard greens. Excuse the noise. I'm sorry about that, everybody. But I just want to show you guys. This is how we do it. Now, look at this. See that sausage right there? Good old nice little Cajun kick to it. Andouille sausage got it going on, okay? Now, this is all about the flavors, everybody. Look at this. The secret was that it's in the root, and this is the meat we use. So now we're going to go to the vegetarian options. We decided to go ahead and try this. We're not being sponsored, but you know what? Gardein, give us a holla, okay? I'm telling you because my granddaughter and my great-granddaughter, she's vegetarian, okay? And she used plant-based mostly all her meats and stuff like that she substitutes. She does steak, she does chicken, and now she's doing this one right here. So we went on to the store and we said, what can we use as a sausage link that can go as an andouille sausage? But this is the closest thing that we found because this is bratwurst, everybody, okay? This is bratwurst, plant-based. And you know what? It says it's only 16 grams of protein per serving, and it was like 4 links in this box, okay? Now, it's not cheap, everybody. It was almost $9, okay? $9 for 4 links is ridiculous because you want to be healthy, but it's more money, right? Okay, so anyway, we're going to move on over, and we're going to go ahead and show you what her gumbo greens look like, everybody. Look at that right there. Look at that. Now, this is all about flavors, everybody, okay? Now, look at this. The greens. Collard greens is delicious. Look at that. That is good. Okay, now look at this. There's another fork. I'm going to get another fork. This is the plant-based link right here. Bratwurst. And we're going to go ahead and give it a try. Look at that. See that, everybody? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, now I'm going to try it. I'm going to let you guys know the real deal, okay? Here we go. It's flavorful. It don't taste like plants. Okay, look. Okay. It's good. It gives you that sausage texture that's inside of a sausage of a link, okay? It does taste like, it can pass. And I think she's really going to enjoy this because we want her to be part of the tradition of Thanksgiving, everybody. Just because she turned vegetarian, pescatarian, it don't mean that we love her any differently. We still love her the way she is, but we want her to be happy, and we want to let her be experiencing the good taste of collard greens by plant-based meat inside, okay? Now, that's pretty good. That's real lot of flavor. Okay, so this one right here, this one we have smoked turkey. We have smoked turkey, and then we have our andouille sausage. That's how we do it, okay? That's how we do it up in here. We have the smoked turkey right here. Look at that. There it is right there. We're going to fight over this. Look at that. Ooh, that meat going to fall off the bone. I'm about to peel that off and just, put it up in there. Okay? But that's how we do it, everybody. Okay? This is how we do our gumbo greens. Now, stay tuned. Now, I know we put some teasers up on our YouTube channel. Make sure you guys follow us there for the full recipe. It's all about the root, everybody. Okay? The root is what makes gumbo greens pop, everybody. Okay? Now, I'm going to talk to y'all later. If you like what you see, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Oh, yes, you guys. And make sure you guys follow us as well. And we also like to thank for following. I can't even talk so good. For following us on our YouTube channel. Welcome to Mama Soul Kitchen's family. We appreciate it. We also have some cookbooks that's available on Amazon.com, everybody. We have our regular cookbook, and we also have our Just Desserts Child just in time for the holidays, everybody, okay? So go ahead and grab your books. Let's get the cooking up in Granny's kitchen. We love you. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye. Bye, you guys. I got to go back to the hospital. Yeah, you got to get back to the hospital. Okay, bye-bye. Bye.